The Federal High Court in Abuja has adjourned the trial of Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the Indigenous People of Biafra, to January 19, 2022. Hi, welcome to What's Happening. These are the top 10 stories now. At number 10, the Senate has approved President Muhammadu Buhari's request to borrow the sum of $16.2 billion, 1.02 billion euros, and a grant of $125 million as foreign loans to fund his legacy projects. The upper chamber specifically approved the issuance of 500 million euros from the Bank of Industries and 750 million euros Eurobond in the international capital market. The Senate gave the approval on Wednesday following the consideration of the reports of its Committee on Local and Foreign Debts, chaired by Senator Clifford Odia. The Red Chamber, however, asked President Buhari to forward the terms and conditions of the loan from the funding agencies to the National Assembly. At number 9, the federal government of Nigeria is organizing the Nigeria International Partnership Forum, a high-level event to accompany and strengthen Nigeria's participation in the Paris Peace Forum, where President Muhammadu Buhari is expected to deliver a keynote speech. According to a statement by Buhari's Senior Special Assistant on Media and Publicity, Garba Shehu, the one-day NIPF will bring together the Nigerian and French governments and private sectors in wide-ranging discussions focused on security, regional stability, trade and industrialization. The high-level event on the sidelines of the annual Paris Peace Forum, which will hold from November 11th to 13th, 2021, will draw attendance from participants at the three-day forum, Nigerians and Africans in France, and the wider diaspora, the global business and investment community, diplomats, civil society organizations, as well as Nigerian, French, and international media organizations. At number 8, Pastor Nnamdi Odukoya, the wife of Pastor Taiwo Odukoya, the senior pastor of Fountain of Life Church, passed away on Tuesday after battling cancer for 2 years. The church announced her passage on Twitter on Tuesday. President Muhammadu Buhari has condoled with Pastor Odukoya over the loss of his wife. In a condolence message by his special advisor on media and publicity, Femi Adesina, on Wednesday in Abuja, the president also condoled with the Christendom in general over the unfortunate passage. Buhari, who prayed God's comfort and succor for Odukoya, described the passage as sad and quite touching. At number 7, the Federal Capital Territory plans to spend 64.8 billion naira for its 2022 national priority projects. FCT Minister Mohammed Bello disclosed this at the presentation of the FCT's 2022 budget to the Joint Senate and House Committees on the FCT on Tuesday. The minister explained that the figure was contained in the 2022 appropriation bill presented to the National Assembly by President Muhammadu Buhari on October 7th. Bello said some of these priority projects include the installation of solar street lights along various roads in the satellite towns, provision of roads, water and electricity supplies to the resettlement site of Galui Shere, rehabilitation and upgrading of street lighting facilities within the FCC, design and construction of a dam, amongst others. At number 6, the Emir of Zazzau, Ahmed Bamali, has approved the reconstitution of new members of the Emirate Council. This was announced in a statement issued by the Emir's spokesperson, Abdullahi Kwabai, on Tuesday. Recall that the council was earlier dissolved on October 12, 2021. The statement also announced the expansion of the council with the appointment of the most senior title holders from the 4 ruling dynasties in the Emirate to serve as part-time council members. At number 5, lawmakers of the African region of the Commonwealth Parliamentary Association have arrived in Abuja for the 51st annual conference of the association. Issues to be discussed at the conference include effects of COVID-19 on member states, economic stability and security, amongst other issues. The clerk of the Namibian Parliament, Lydia Kandetu, made this known shortly after presiding over the inaugural meeting of the Society of Clerks at the Table, an organ of the CPA that houses clerks to the Parliament or National Assembly of Member States. According to Kandetu, about 12 countries were expected to send representatives to this year's CPA, where decisions on various issues shall be taken. The clerk of Nigeria's parliament, Ojo Amos, said the conference would allow member states to cross-pollinate ideas on solving pressing issues in their countries. Amos also noted that President Muhammadu Buhari would officially inaugurate the conference on Thursday, November 11th. At number 4, the Nigerian Army has organized free medical treatment for residents of the 81 autonomous communities of Abombise, Ahiazumbise, and Ezinihite Mbise local government areas of Imo State. It was gathered that 29 communities from Abombise, 27 from Ahiazumbise, and 25 from Ezinihite Mbise benefited from the outreach organized on Tuesday. The Nigerian Army Brigade Commander, 34 Artillery Brigade, Brigadier General Raymond Utsaha, who flagged off the program, said it was part of Exercise Golden Dawn, recently launched in the state. He said the exercise was in line with the initiative of the Chief of Army Staff, Lieutenant General Farouk Yahya, to further ease the job of addressing security challenges in the state. At number 3, bandits have attacked Batsari local government area of Katsina state, killing over 13 people, injuring 8 and abducting at least 17 others. The bandits who launched the attack on Tuesday evening and into the early hours of Wednesday also set ablaze dozens of houses, including government structures and vehicles. The police spokesperson in the state, Gambo Isa, said 11 people were killed, but residents of the town said the number has risen to 13. The member representing Batsari at the State House of Assembly, Jabiru Yao Yao, also confirmed the attack, but said since he has not gone to the town, he could not confirm the number of the people killed. At number 2, President Muhammadu Buhari has congratulated the former governor of the Central Bank of Nigeria, Professor Charles Soludo, on winning the 2021 Anambra State Governorship election. Soludo was declared winner of the election by the Independent National Electoral Commission on Wednesday morning. Reacting to this, Buhari, in a post on Facebook, urged the candidates of the All Progressives Grand Alliance to tackle the challenges confronting Anambra State and the Southeast. Finally, at number 1, the Federal High Court in Abuja has adjourned the trial of Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the Indigenous People of Biafra, to January 19, 2022. Justice Binta Nyako of the Federal High Court adjourned the case in a short ruling on Wednesday in Abuja. Kanu, who was brought into the courtroom around 9:52 a.m., had shortly after his case was called up, lamented the refusal of security agents to allow some members of his legal team, especially his lawyer from the United States, Bruce Fein, to enter the courtroom. When asked by the judge if he was ready to conduct the proceedings himself in the absence of his lawyers, Kanu said no. Delivering a short ruling, Justice Nyako expressed displeasure over the conduct of Kanu's lawyers, who staged a walkout over the refusal of the operatives of the Department of State Services to allow some members of the legal team into the courtroom. Nyako declined to dismiss the pending application and rather adjourned the case till January 19th and 20th, 2022 for trial. Always remember to wear your mask, wash your hands and stay safe. That's all for today. See you next time on What's Happening.